Now come to question number 3. Find the missing values. To see the solution, A part. Here base is given to you. Base of parallelogram. It is 20 centimeter and height of parallelogram you have to find out, and area of parallelogram it is 246 centimeters square. From here you have to find out height of parallelogram. How will you find area of parallelogram? It is base into height. It is equivalent to 246. Now base is given to you. It is 20 centimeter into h equal to 246. From here find the value of h. H is equal to 246 upon 20. And if you simplify it, you will get 12.3 centimeter. Therefore, height of parallelogram will be 12.3 centimeter. Therefore, height of parallelogram equal to 12.3 centimeter. This is your answer. Now come to B part. Here base of parallelogram, you have to find out height of parallelogram. It is 15 centimeter. Area of parallelogram, it is 154.5 centimeters square. Here put the value area of parallelogram. It is given by B into H. It is equivalent to 154.5. Here put the value. You have to find out B, that is base. Height is given to you. It is 15 equal to 154.5. Our base is equal to 154.5 upon 15 centimeter. And if you solve it, you will get 10.3 centimeter. Therefore, base of parallelogram it is equivalent to 10.3 centimeter. This is your answer. Now come to C part. In C part, base of parallelogram. Again you have to find out height of parallelogram. It is 8.4 centimeter. Area of parallelogram. It is 48.72 centimeters square. Now area of parallelogram. It is given by base into height equal to 48.72. Put the value of height. You have to find out base. B as it is. Height is 8.4 equal to 48.72. Therefore base will be 48.72 upon 8.4 centimeter. Now simplify it. You will get 5.8 centimeter. Therefore, base of parallelogram it is 5.8 centimeter. This is your answer. Now come to D part. Here base of parallelogram it is 15.6 centimeter. Height of parallelogram you have to find out. Area of parallelogram it is 16.38 centimeters square. Now area of parallelogram it is given by base into height equal to 16.38. Here put the value of base. It is 15.6 into height equal to 16.38. Therefore height equal to 16.38 divided by 15.6. This means centimeter. And if you simplify it, you will get 1.05 centimeter. This is your answer. Now come to question number 4. Find the missing values. See the solution. See A part. Here base of triangle it is given to you 15 centimeter. Height of triangle You have to find out area of triangle. It is 87 centimeters square. Here area of triangle, it is given by half base into height. It is equivalent to 87. Here put the value of base. It is 1 upon 2 into base is 15 into h equal to 87. The h is equal to 87 into 2 upon 15. And if you solve it, you will get 11.6 centimeter. Therefore, height of triangle, it is 11.6 centimeter. This is your answer. Now come to B part. Here base of the triangle you have to find out. Height of triangle, it is 31.4 millimeter. Area of triangle, it is 1256 millimeter. Area of triangle is given by half into base into height equal to 1256 millimeter. Here put the value of height. You will get 1 upon 2 into base you have to find out. Height is 31.4 equal to 1256. Therefore B, it is equivalent to 1256 into 2 upon 31.4 millimeter. And if you solve it, you will get 80 millimeter. Therefore, base of triangle, equal to 80 millimeter. This is your answer. Now come to C part. Here base of triangle, it is 22 centimeter. Height of triangle, you have to find out. Area of triangle, it is 170.5 centimeter square. Here area of triangle, it is half into base into height, it is equivalent to 170.5. Here put the value of base, you will get 1 upon 2 into base is 22 centimeter into height equal to 170.5. H is equal to 170.5 into 2 upon 22. This much centimeter, and if you solve it, you will get 15.5 centimeter. Therefore, height of triangle equal to 15.5 centimeter. This is your answer.